There are times when it's necessary to use the same drill but start from different Z levels. I'll show you how to force the system to do so. The part I have shown is a manifold block used to hold 5 3-2 pneumatic valves. Currently the part has been face milled on top. The shelves on each side have been machined, and I've spot drilled all the larger holes on top and the 4 counterbolt holes on the shelves, with 2 on each side of the part. I don't want to create 2 separate drilling operations, both using a 1/2-inch spot drill. I want to do it with one. Currently, all the holes have been drilled to the same depth in the spot drilling cycle. These 4 clearance holes should be drilled 1/4 inch deep, not 3/16. To correct this, I'll select the geometry for the drilling operation. I'll select point 1. Now I can see the drilling pattern as hole 1 is highlighted in green on my screen, and the yellow line shows me the order they'll be drilled in. I'll scroll down a bit in this window. Then I'll select the Change Parameters at Point option. Check the depth and set it to -3/4 because I need to go 1/4 inch below this Z level. Next, I'll click on this one so that this new depth will be applied to the next point as well, and I'll accept this change. I'll now select point 3. Then the Change Parameters button, and change the depth back to -3/16. Select the Apply to Subsequent Points option and accept this change. Lastly, I'll select point 19 and I'll set its depth back to -3/4. Select the Apply to Subsequent Points and accept this selection. I'll accept my changes and I'll regenerate the toolpath. To verify the depth is correct, I'll launch the Backplot simulator and step through the cycle. These first 3 holes are good, so I'll play the rest of the simulation. This looks good, so I'll exit the simulator and I'll save my work.